going to learn how to create a photo gallery and embed that photo gallery into any page on your website. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is create a new folder on your desktop, on your computer, and organize your pictures. So in this case, I created a folder called Sample Gallery off to the right. So if we open that up, you'll see I have 10 pictures inside this gallery. Okay, so we'll close that down. So what you'll want to do is log into your control panel or your dashboard for your website. Off to the right, you'll see a link called File Manager. So what I want to do is click on File Manager. Okay, now when you get into the File Manager, you'll see various folders, and folders on websites are organized in the same kind of a hierarchy that they would be on your PC. Okay. Now, just to be organized, you can do this however you want, but to be organized, there's already an image folder, so I'm going to click on Images, that folder, and I'm going to create a new folder inside this folder, and I'm going to call that folder Gallery, and then click Save. Okay, so now you can see that inside the Images folder, we have another folder called Gallery. Okay, so I'm going to click on Gallery, and now I'm going to click on Upload, and you can see the path here. So we have the Images folder, the Gallery folder, and this is where I'm uploading the pictures. So I'm not going to upload all 10, I'm going to upload 5. Okay, so click Select, find the pictures on your computer, and then add the pictures. So again, I'm going to add 5 for this tutorial. Okay, so once you've selected your pictures, click Upload. Okay, so now you can see the 5 pictures that were uploaded, and they're located in the Gallery folder, which is inside the Images folder for your website. Okay, so the next step is to go over to Modules, and you'll see a sub-menu drop down when you mouse over the Modules button, and you want to click on Photo Galleries. Okay, so right now we don't have any photo galleries. So off to the right, we're going to click on Create a new photo gallery, and we're just going to call this Gallery to make it easy. The Images folder is the location where we just uploaded the pictures. So if you click the drop down, this is where you want to search for the Images folder and then the Gallery folder, which we created inside the Images folder. So this is the one we want. Click Next. Okay, and you can see the 5 pictures that we uploaded. Okay, now the system's nice in the sense that it allows you to add descriptions dynamically to your pictures. So if I select Japan 2, okay, I can now add a description. I'll just put Japan 2. You can put whatever kind of description you want for the picture, and then click Save Item. Okay, so once we've created the photo gallery inside the system, then we want to pick the web page on our website where we want this photo gallery to show up. So we're going to go over here to the live test site for this tutorial. Okay, and under About Us, right now we just have some sample text. So we have a heading and some sample text. Well, instead of having the sample text here, let's put the photo gallery here instead. Okay, so let's jump back to our console. Go up to the top and click on Website, and then click on Web Pages, and this will pull up all the different web pages that make up your website. So if we're going to click on About Us, this is where we want the gallery to be, and again you'll see the heading About Us and then the sample text, which again is exactly what you see on the live website. So just like any word processor, we're going to highlight this text and hit delete. And we're going to leave the cursor right there. Off to the right, under the action box, there's a link called Add Modules to Web Page. So we're going to click on that. Off to the right, we'll see Photo Galleries as one of the options. We'll click Display Specific Photo Gallery. And from the drop down, we're going to choose Gallery, which right now is the only photo gallery. And after you do that, you'll see just a really quick preview of the 5 pictures that we uploaded. Now if you go to Customize, you can actually change how many pictures show up, how many thumbnails show up in each row. So in this case right now only 4 are showing up per row. Since we have 5 pictures, let's just make the row length 5. Results per page, this only comes into play if you have, in this case, more than 5 pictures, which we don't right now, so 12 is fine. All the pictures that we have are going to show up. And then the width and the height is something you can play with. This determines how wide and how tall the thumbnails are on the page. For right now, we're just going to leave that at 80, and you'll be able to see what kind of size that is as we move forward. So again, we left the cursor over here blinking, and the cursor is where we're going to insert the gallery. So off to the right here, you'll see the insert button. Just click insert. Go down to the very bottom and click save and publish. Okay, and then you'll get a confirmation message that says the item has been published successfully. If we go back to the live site, to the About Us page, and refresh, you'll see that the temporary text that we had there is now gone, and instead we have the photo gallery, the 5-picture gallery that we uploaded. Each of these are 80 pixels wide. So if these pictures, these thumbnails are a little too small and you want these to be a little bigger, you can adjust that and then reinsert the code. Okay, so you'll see that if you click on one of these, the screen fades out and then a nice presentation of your pictures appears. If you had added a description to the picture, it would show up down here at the bottom on top of the white. Again, you don't have to add descriptions, but that's where it would show up. And then click close to exit out of that. And that's how you add galleries to your web pages. You can add as many galleries to as many pages as you want.